vlogged at all today because I did I was starting to do my morning routine because I had a feeling I might vlog tonight. And then I was like, bounce out of here. Went to school. And Anna's here.
Hi, I'm making a TikTok.
She's really awesome, and we're gonna go to the mall and go to Build-A-Bear. Because I haven't been in like 10 years, I'm not even kidding. 10 or like 8 or 10 years. Wanna go out, Tux? Wanna say hi to my vlog? You can't even see her. We're in Anna's truck that she does not own.
How do you know?
Because it's your brother's.
It's my grandpa's.
Your grandpa's. We're going to Build-A-Bear! My phone just glitched out. Yeah. Oh wow, that was bad. Those are so pretty. The rose bears, but you can get those online at Build-A-Bear. Hi. Oh, okay.
Since it's your first time, we're gonna do a heart ceremony.
Yeah. Nice. I'm gonna go on this side.
Ooh,
That was a deep one.
that one didn't hurt at all.
Lulu. I need more name ideas. I'm really feeling
Rapunzel spelled incorrectly. Curious George.
Curious George. Sapphire. I don't know. Kung Fu Panda. Kung Fu Panda.
Should I just name it Anna?
Yeah, name it Anna. Anna. Pink. Brittany. That's so no.
This year, Anna had her birthday.
Just want to walk around? Waste time. Okay. Yeah.
Hi.
Welcome to our mukbang with Elise, Barry,
This is Anna.
and Anna.
It's for my mans.
We don't have anything yet, but we do have water, but this is leaning on my water, so can't do anything about that right now. It's really loud in here, so.
Hope you ladies have a great weekend. Ooh, that one hurt.
Wait. Go. Got one. Go.
Oh my god, this is so cool. I've never been to PF Chang's, so this is amazing. Barry, you ready? Okay.
This better be a good one.
Yeah, I know, right? Okay, so it's like 9:15 at night. I always think that's a Peppa Pig intro. And we are eating, well, I'm eating my PF Chang's. And what else are we doing?
Vlogging.
Vlogging, and that's literally it. But I thought I would like do something. We'll probably do something more interesting later, like make a cake or something.
And cookies.
And
What
cookies.
about the cookies and the cake?
You can't see me, hold on. So we're just about to watch a movie on the projector. It's Don't Knock Twice. And yeah, so this has been a really boring vlog. I apologize. Okay.
Because I'm not in it.
No, fine, there's Anna.
I'm camping.
Okay, bye.